Okay.
Are you gonna get online?
I am,
Unlock your game. You're not.
1 second.
Okay, I just unlocked my game.
You just what?
Unlocked mine. Mine was locked.
Enjoying.
I already did. Why do you always have to have a 3 in your name?
This is this Nuketown map we found online. Pretty laggy, but it's still fun.
It's not for mine.
Yeah, because your mic isn't all the way, cool. Rules, no flying. Rules, 1 sword and 1 bow. Done.
I already got
Well,
mine.
we aren't gonna play, but I'm just gonna show around. This is the backyard of the blue house on Call of Duty Black Ops 1. Oh yeah, I found out that there was a zombie map on here.
It's over there.
They didn't finish it yet, obviously. But that's for a different video.
Total. And then I downloaded
This is the
this
kitchen. So weird the floor layout is. Here's like the living room area. Upstairs. Why is the windows fixed? You're supposed to break through them.
How about that?
Yellow house is like exactly the same. But the garage doesn't have a car. The truck is here.
Naked red house.
Then the army truck's here. And the school bus. And you have the red house right there. I'll just show you the zombie map.
I'm not going over there.
I think it's over
I
this
would,
way.
but I'm not.
Where is it? Where is it?
What?
Oh, here it is. As
You
you
can
can
see
see,
from the backyard.
it's not finished. The front yard. It might be a little dark in here. Has a big missile up top. Has a broken swing set. The house looks all messed up from the back. You could kind of get in, but you can't really get inside the garage. You have to go through the house. This is the bedroom. It burnt down. Perk machine. And downstairs. Oops. But it's just a random house. So, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, rate, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Oh yeah. The guy that's playing with me today is Please Supreme 01. Bye.